How to make money online with zero experience. No skills? No problem. Here's how people are earning $100+ day online. You don't need tech skills. Most platforms are plug-and-play for beginners. Most platforms have big buttons and clear steps, very beginner-friendly. Signing up is quick. Complete a profile and pick available surveys. Pick a survey, answer the questions, submit, and you get paid. There, $5 added to your account. Print on Demand uses simple design tools. Upload a design and sell. Choose a template, add graphics, upload, set a price, then publish. New sale. $12.50 earned from your design. Affiliate dashboards show links and clear commission rates. Grab your link. Copy the link, share it on social, and earn when someone buys. $25 commission credited from your referral. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr list quick gigs you can complete today. Simple tasks like data entry or small designs often pay $10 to $25. These small payouts stack up quickly throughout the day. Combined, these methods can add up to $100+ per day. Surveys, print on demand, and affiliate commissions, combine them for steadier income. Comment 0 to start, like and subscribe for more tips.